Hi, I'm Renee, Kudos Kitchen, and today we're going to be making this double chocolate graham cracker toffee. And is it good? It only takes about 25 minutes to make from start to finish. Then you have to chill it for a while, break it into pieces, and you're good to go. Makes a perfect gift too. So if you like Keith Bar candy, you're going to love this recipe. Listen. Oh, so good. Okay, let's begin making it. Okay, once your toffee is cold, I'm going to show you the best way to get it out of the pan because there's a little trick to it. What I like to do is I like to take a separate cookie sheet, set it on top of the toffee, hold both sheets firmly, and give it an old flip. Yeah. There we go. Take the bottom sheet off, which is now the top sheet. Peel the parchment off of the back of the toffee. Flip the sheet back on. Do the old flipper again. And now you get to take out some of your aggressions. Break it into pieces. There you have it. Ready to serve.